How to fix Facebook isn't responding problem on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you and share with you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, we will just open your settings of your phone. Then you will go directly to apps or applications. Then you will scroll down and you will search for Facebook. And when you open Facebook, you will just go to storage. And on storage, go to clear data, then click OK. And now your problem will fixed very good. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like, also to subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.